In this video, I am going to teach you how to delete Instagram account. Step 1. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right corner. It will take you to your profile. Step 2. Click on the 3 horizontal lines at the top right corner. Step 3. Select Settings. Step 4. Click on Account. Step 5. Click on Delete Account at the bottom. Step 6. Select Delete Account. Step 7. Select Continue deleting account on the pop-up box. Now it will take you to another page. Step 8. Select the reason for deleting your account. Step 9. Enter your password. Step 10. Click on Delete your username. Congratulations! You have just learned how to delete Instagram account. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And I hope to see you next time.